Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video, I'm walking you around the Hummer H2 custom sound system that we've installed. However, it's not inside the car, it's on the outside. It's a custom PA system that we've installed for the guys at the Cannon Run. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. Cannon Run love to set new levels, and that's why they've set us this challenge of transforming this Hummer H2 into an external PA system. We're using marine grade speakers, we're using amplifiers to basically make this system absolutely rock. This vehicle will be used at events as a marketing point of view to basically, Jay will be able to stand on the vehicle, stand near the vehicle, and basically talk to the hundreds that are on the rallies that he organises. Absolutely amazing events. I'm actually literally I'm all packed up in my Mustang. I'm about to leave on one of the Cannon Run Spring Break 2021. It's going to be absolutely phenomenal. I love the event and it's a great bit of fun, and this vehicle is going to be heading over there with us and it's going to be used as part of the marketing campaign. The reason why this is so important for the Cannon Run and other companies like the Cannon Run doing stuff like this is because it sets them apart from everyone else in the industry. It's doing things slightly different and in a completely bespoke way. In terms of the system that we've got 10 speakers mounted onto the roof. That's 10 speakers. We've got two 8-inch drivers, and then we've got the rest, the 8 are made up of 6.5-inch drivers that are separated around the vehicle. We've gone for a sort of surround sound effects. We've got two 8-inches powering forward and backwards, and then the 8 are firing sideways. Doesn't matter where this vehicle is parked, this vehicle will be heard. Absolutely phenomenal sound that comes out from this. Not only does it project, you can hear the quality coming from the system, and we're going in actually via a new custom enclosure in the back of the vehicle. 2 amps on the left hand side. We've got the Hertz HCP4 DK, then we've got the SPL Hertz amplifier, which is running all the 8 speakers, and then we've got the two 8 inches running off the 4DK. The SPL amplifier, the reason why we've gone for the SPL is for output, plus also clarity. It's a phenomenal amplifier, and they're mounted on the left-hand side. Then on the right-hand side, what we've got is a PA system mic set up with 3D printed brackets. So the mic sits in there, clips in there really, really nicely. So all the equipment can go in there really nice and easy. Plus the whole unit is all very serviceable. There's literally all can be done with a set of Allen keys. The whole unit can be serviced at any point. Plus also the other thing that we've done is added in a new radio unit. That radio unit is basically the source of the power. So basically what that's doing is you can Bluetooth stream straight into that. Plus we're using the aux to basically play the actual microphone setup, and you can talk through it, you can flick to Bluetooth streaming, play music. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's been a joy to be working on a car like this. So if you're interested in something similar, you know exactly what to do. Drop us a line on any of our social media platforms. But thank you very much, guys, for watching our installation on the Hummer H2 custom PA system.